Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add the bestseller tag to your products in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account in the upper right corner. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing our store, such as home, orders, products, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding the bestseller tag to our products. What we're looking for, guys, is right here at the left side screen. We want to find the apps option. Click add apps. After clicking add apps, it's going to open up this menu where at the bottom you can find the Shopify App Store. So you want to open up the Shopify App Store. Successfully opening up the Shopify App Store is going to open up this App Store right here where you can take a look at all the apps we can use for our store. And at the top of the page, we're going to have the search bar. So in the search bar, we are going to get started searching for product labels. This is going to enable us to go ahead and get all the apps right here related to product labels that we can test out. As you can see, this is the most downloaded app there is. So as you can see, this application is going to enable us to add any label we want to your product. So you can see this one is going to enable us to add the bestseller option. We can add new product, hot, whatever, doesn't matter, but you'll be able to add bestseller right here. So if you want to add it to your store, what you can do is click the install button. Clicking the install button right here is going to proceed to this new page where you can confirm the installation. And after confirming the installation by clicking this button right here and authenticating it, you can see that it's now going to appear under your app section right here. So here you'll be able to find that application. So you want to open it up and get started setting it up, add any label product that you want to your products, and it's going to enable you to put the bestseller. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.